Good morning. Welcome to .programming.com. Today I'm talking about how to retrieve data from database using AD.NET and Windows Form C#. Uh, Using AD.NET, we will bind the data in the code file. So first of all, use SQL connection class to create the connections between the front end to back end. So this SQL connection class actually exists in the system.data.sql client namespace. So make the instance and invoke the some properties and methods of the SQL connection class. So SQL connection con equals to new SQL connection. It's a class. Now call the property connection string of the SQL connection class. Write some properties here inside the connection string. Oh, actually, we will write some parameters inside the connection string in double quotations. So this is the server name, local DB version 11.0. That is the database name. So use the verbatim literal and data source equals to local DB version 11.0 is a data source, or you can say the server name. In the initial catalog, the means of the initial catalog, it's a relate to the database name. A database name actually exists in the database. I have a database that is the name is BTTI. So initial catalog equals to BTTI, and the last parameter is integrated security. The means of integrated security true. It takes two parameter actually, true and false. True means you can take Windows security. False define mandatory for username and passwords. So connection open using the open method of the SQL connection class. Now use messagebox.show for check the successfully created connections. Yeah, that is the connection is created successfully. So now after that you can create a SQL command class to communicate with the table. SQL command cmd equals to new SQL command. Okay, now the command.text is a property of the SQL command class. Use select for the default query to retrieve the data from the database table. Yeah, that is the name of the BTTI. I have a table. The table name is a student info. I have some records inside it. Yeah, I have 3 records in the student info table. So select a strict from student info. It's a table name. cmd dot connection. I have a connection inside the con object. SQL data reader to read the data in the forward only mode. So cmd dot execute reader while reader instance is RD, and the read is a method of the SQL data reader to read the data one by one. Okay, now show the data in the message box. So message box dot show RD. What's the column name inside the RD? That is the S name, DOB, and S address. So pass it inside the RD subscript. So that is the S name is a column name. Now start it and check. Yeah, the connection created is a message Amit, and last one is Amit, because all rows contained Amit as a record, or you can say as a tuple. Now change the column name, that is a S name, to change to replace with the DOB, and S address, that is the DOB. Start it. First of all, message appear the connection is created. Yeah, the second is date, third is also red, and last one is null. And that is, yeah, null. Two data similar. The last one column is as address. Now save this and start it. The address of the city is Pilani, Blank and Chapo. So thank you very much to retrieve the data from the database table using ADO.NET. Thank you very much.